Hello everyone, this is a quick video on how to use Oreilly's to find some prices for parts. This is not very complicated to use, but if it's the first time you've used it, it may be a good chance to just see where things are. You do not need an account to do this. The first thing you're going to be doing is using ProDemand to find the initial information for the car. What you need to know is the make, model, and year. Let's pretend that I already know that information. The first thing that I'm going to do is go to Oreilly's Auto Parts, and then I'm going to go here to Garage, and I'm going to add a new vehicle. I'm going to choose the year of the vehicle. Let's say it is a 2007. Let's say it's a Ford. And a model, let's do Taurus. The options, if you're not sure, just pick one of them. The parts are usually very similar. And then the engine, make sure you have the correct engine right there. I'm going to add the vehicle. So now the vehicle I'm shopping for is right here. So let's say one of the things that I'm missing on that vehicle is my side mirror. So let me see if I can find a side mirror. And I'm in luck. There are side mirrors here. I have a few different brands and models, but these should fit the 2007 Ford Taurus. You can choose to buy an expensive one or a cheap one. For our purposes, things like this, if we have to replace it, we are going to choose the lower cost one. You can go here by sort by, and I can go here to low to high. That might not give me good information, but let's see. So this is not what I want. So then here, related searches, I'm going to go exterior side mirror. And now let me see if I can find low to high. So this is the lowest cost side mirror right here. If I were to need something the next day, I'd have to look for this. But for our purposes, find the lowest cost. And it looks like these are actually the same cost right here. All right, so that's how you use it. Here you have a model number, and here you have a price. Good luck, everyone.